Yo, YouTube, what down? It's your boy Red, man. Back with another video. I come in peace. You did. This man, paid almost 20K, turned himself into a dog, man. Why? I don't know. Let's get straight into the video. You did. Man, for one, dogs don't wave like that, man. They talking to him like he a real ass dog. Man, what was he thinking doing some shit like that? His ass say he gonna escape the Matrix real, man. That shit do not look comfortable. That shit look uncomfortable like a motherfucker. In the comments, let me know how y'all feel about the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless. It's your boy Red, man. Extraterrestrial. Come in peace. You did.